Hey guys, today we got a 2022 Palomino Puma. This one's the 32BHFS, big bunkhouse camper for you to enjoy with your family. You are at 38 feet 9 inches, dry weight 9,608 pounds, gross vehicle weight 11,308 pounds. Let's go see how much size you get with that camper and how much space you get so you can enjoy it with your family. Hey guys, we're back with the 2022 Puma 32BHFS. Up front here, we got the upgraded power tongue jack. We have two 30-pound propane tanks. And then if you rotate back here to the side, just up front, you have the power stabilizer jacks up front. Also, this camper does not have front pass-through storage, but if you look here, you can actually get into the closet for the front bedroom. But this camper actually is washer-dryer prepped. So you could actually, if there was a washer-dryer there, you can get straight to that if you need to do conducting kind of maintenance or anything like that. Here we're in the entertainment center part of the camper while you're outside, underneath a nice big awning with the LED stripes so you can watch everything at night. Got the TV mount on the outside, so that TV you put in there comes straight outside with the plugs directly underneath of it. You also, hidden behind the door here, have an outside shower. So if you want to wash the kids or the dog off so they don't get muddy as soon as they walk in, drag all that dirt inside the camper, you absolutely can. On this camper, we have the smaller of the outside kitchens. Of course, you could just go with just straight storage on this, which you would just remove all of this. Or you could go with the bigger side pawl, which if you watch some of our other YouTube videos, you would see that bigger kitchen. But you got a nice small outside fridge. You still get the griddle back here and a sink, and a nice little storage area for all your cooking utensils. Back here in the back, of course, you got the ladder to go up to on the top of the camper so you can inspect everything, make sure the roof's still good. Spare tires mounted directly on the back, so if you need anything, it's right there. Backup cameras prepped on all the Pumas, so you can put a backup camera, see everything behind you. And of course, because this is an RV Wholesalers camper, go find that sticker. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. As soon as you move into the camper, of course, you got a lot of space inside this camper because you have two opposing slides. So on one side, you have the sitting area and the dinette. On the other side, of course, you have the kitchen with a nice big island in the middle. As soon as you walk in though, you have your inside entertainment center, fireplace below. Directly across from it, you have your dinette, or not your dinette, excuse me, your theater seating. This is the cafe latte color. So it's a little bit of a pleather. Same thing, just like a futon. Just like you've seen in our other videos, cup holders in the middle. Still a nice color, looks great with the farmhouse feel. Booth dinette on this one. Sit about 4 people. Also folds down into a bed, so plenty of sleeping in this camper. So I'm standing behind the island in this camper. Nice big island with plenty of storage around it. Single basin sink with a nice wood cutting board. Nice drying rack, and then of course behind me, you got a nice big pantry, so you can store everything you go camping with. Ooh. Moving on over to the 12-volt refrigerator, so you can fit a nice couple jugs of milk, all the food and everything you need. And of course, as long as the battery's on, this refrigerator is cooling, so while you're going down the road, everything's nice and cold when you stop. Moving straight over to the cooking part. Standard microwave up here, so you can cook all your Hot Pockets. Nice storage and everything down here. 3-burner stove. Nice gas oven underneath of it, so you can cook any kind of small chicken or anything. Plenty of storage. Nice farmhouse feel with the white on gray. Everything kind of flows together nicely. Now we're in the bunkhouse part of this camper. Because it has just the regular storage unit and or the small kitchen, outside kitchen, you got a bottom bunk over here. If you go with the side pawl, it will be an entertainment center. Top bunk will always be here. It holds 300 pounds, so if you're big like me, you can get up there. On the other side here, you got a futon. Folds down into a queen bed. Also have a bunk that folds up over here. Have a slide back here, so plenty of room for all the kids. Nice little space, and it's their own separate room, so they can play and be out of your hair while you're camping. Nice sized bathroom here, corner shower with glass doors on it. Plenty of headroom, plenty of space. Nice little sink there. Now we're in the master suite of this bed camper here. Got a nice queen size bed. Right across from it, you got the entertainment center. Plenty of storage over here. Right above it, you can hang a TV so you can watch movies or anything while you're relaxing at night. Right over here, you got the closet that you can put a washer and dryer in, or you can just leave it as a closet and enjoy plenty of storage. Right beside it here, you have the place where you can hang all your your wife can hang all her dresses. Plenty of storage, nice mirrors so you can make sure you look good before you go out for dinner. Enjoy yourself for the weekend or the week while you're out camping. Nice private area. Has this, you can opt it to have its own air conditioner with a heat pump. So if you like it colder than the rest of the camper, like I do at night, you can absolutely do that. And of course, if you have any more storage that you needs in the camper, there is a door on the outside, but you can access it from underneath, inside here as well. Plenty of room. Again, this was the 2022 Puma 32BHFS. My name is Dalton. Give me a call at 877-877-4494, extension 153. We're on YouTube, RV Wholesalers. Go ahead and give us a subscribe, write me out, and hope to hear from you.